Gather the ingredients. Dice the vegetable seasonings. Only if you can, do them like this. Otherwise, don't do it like this. Use a chopping board instead. Chop a washed cabbage in quarters and then cut out the heart. Cook red cabbage instead. Separate the cabbage leaves like this. Wash the chicken parts and then chop 2 to 3 inches chicken chunks. Allow the chicken to marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Put a frying pot like this touchy on medium fire. Use a wok instead. Add some cooking oil. Allow it to get hot. Fry the chicken chunks golden. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Next, stir fry the vegetable seasonings like this and then add the cabbage leaves on top. Do it like this. Let it stay cooking for a minute. Then turn the stove's flame on high. Now stir fry like this. And then finish. Turn off the stove. Eat cabbage chicken stir fry with anything you want. For the details, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.